Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you this tiny but powerful device, a DC motor speed controller. This little board is what we use to control the speed of DC motors without losing torque. It works using a technique called pulse width modulation, or PWM for short. Here's how it works. This knob here is a potentiometer. When you turn it, you're adjusting the width of the pulses going to the motor, which changes its speed. These two screw terminals are for the power input, usually marked V+ and V-. That's where you connect your battery or power supply. And over here you have the motor output terminals. This is where you connect your DC motor. All you do is connect your power source to the input side, your motor to the output side, and you're ready to go. As I turn the knob clockwise, the motor speed increases, and when I turn it back, it slows down. Simple, right? And that's it. This is a super handy tool for DIY projects, robotics, or anything that needs adjustable motor speed. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY tips.